This is God's warning for you because the enemy is attacking. You gotta listen carefully because if you don't, you will not know how to not make the mistake that you're going to be tempted to make, and it's going to derail you a lot if you make this mistake. Listen carefully. I had this little poem come to my mind as I was sitting silent praying God in Jesus Christ. I'm going to give you at the end the Bible verses I opened to randomly, which confirmed it. Please listen. God says, "The enemy comes to steal, kill, and destroy." The enemy comes to kill, steal, and destroy. The enemy comes only to kill, steal, and destroy. But my child, don't worry. I got you. So be happy. Praise me. For sadness lasts only a little while, but joy comes in the morning. You won't stay mourning the past, but you shall say, finally, at last, the Lord is with me. I can go fully. I don't need all this anxiety. Yes, you can be sure of the Lord your God, for I am not a liar, and I am not a thief. I am here to bring you relief. Stay with me, and all will be very good. You will be good, eating plenty of good food. The enemy can't overcome the goodness of God. So be well, my child. I will guide you with my rod. Trust in your God. This is a little poem I had, and then I opened the Bible randomly. Listen carefully. John 13:19-20. It says, "Now I tell you, before it comes, that when it does come to pass, you may believe that I am He. Most assuredly I say to you, he who receives whomever I send receives me, and he who receives me receives him who sent me." And it felt like God. What does it feel like? What does it feel like God is telling you here? It felt to me like God was saying, this is a warning. He is warning you in this video, in this word, before the enemy comes to kill, steal, and destroy, so that you believe that He is. Because when it does happen, you will believe. You will know that this is God speaking to you. And whoever receives Jesus will receive God, and God will be with him, and he won't have to worry because God will be with him. So receive God. How do you do that? You put your trust in Him. How do you do that? How do you do that with someone that you don't know? You need to know God. How do you know Him? You read what He says. You read His Word. Right? Hopefully this video helped you out. Remember, stay on God. Guard your heart. Flee from the enemy. And prepare yourself. One way you could prepare yourself, if you struggle with lust or fleshly addiction, there's a way with 5 to 10 minutes a day to completely break free from that. With God's grace, not your own strength. It's a spiritual way. It's a supernatural way. This is what God led me to create. The Beat Lust with Christ program. In 33 days, with 5 to 10 minutes a day, you become free from this. You become a new person, a new creation in Christ. If this interests you, I'm telling you, link in the description is going to change your life. And if you feel led to create content online, you want to turn your God-given purpose into online income for God and to help people, not just for the money, link in the description to access the Financial Freedom Accelerator. It's going to change your life. I'll see you there, and I'll see you next one. God bless you.